I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Update your iPhone 15 Pro to the latest iOS and free up storage so ProRes files won't fail. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Camera. This is where the only toggle lives. You do this because ProRes recording is enabled system-wide via Settings, not inside the Camera app. Make sure your device is unlocked and plugged or charged. Enabling and testing ProRes can take time and battery. Now go into Camera, then Formats, and locate Apple ProRes. Flip that toggle on. You do this because the OS exposes ProRes only as a Formats level setting. The Camera app will follow. Once enabled, open the Camera app and switch to Video to see ProRes labels or icons, and double-check resolution and frame rate options. If you don't see ProRes, make sure storage and iOS version meet requirements, and then reboot. Sometimes the setting needs a restart to appear in the Camera UI. Finish by recording a quick ProRes clip and inspect it in Photos to confirm codec and resolution. You should test different frame rates and lighting so you understand file sizes and performance. If you hit a problem, turn off conflicting modes like ProRAW or Cinematic Preview, then retry. Some combinations block ProRes. If it still won't enable, reboot the phone, check iOS updates, or reset camera settings. Remember, ProRes consumes huge storage. Manage files or offload to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.